Wop, wop, woppa woppa pop. Four happy cows in a field of green, the best of friends that you've ever seen. One was white and one was red, with shiny horns upon their head. Wop-a-pum-pum. They ate the grass and they played all day in a very happy and friendly way. Side by side they would always stand, the strongest team in all the land. Wop-a-pum-pum, wop-a-pum-pum. Behind the trees where the shadows grow, a hungry lion moved very slow. He watched the cows with a golden eye, waiting for the sun to leave the sky. The lion jumped with a mighty roar, but the cows were ready like never before. They stood together four in a row, and the lion had nowhere left to go. The lion thought of a sneaky plan to trick the cows as fast as he can. He whispered lies in the tall green grass to make their happy friendship pass. That cow is eating the best of the clover. He wants the field until it's over. The cows got mad and began to shout, wondering what the fuss was about. Wop-a-pum-pum, wop-a-pum-pum. They walked away to a different side, with nowhere left for them to hide. One went north and one went south, right toward the lion's hungry mouth. The first cow stood by a lonely tree, as sad and quiet as he could be. Without his friends he had no might, when the lion came in the middle of night. The second cow was by the lake, making a very big mistake. He looked around for his oldest friend, but the lion's hunt was near the end. The third cow wandered all alone, far away from his happy home. He missed the moo of the other three, as the lion chased him past the tree. So listen close to what we say, stay with your friends every single day. Together we're strong, divided we fall. Unity is the best of all. So listen close to what we say, stay with your friends every single day. Together we're strong, divided we fall. Unity is the best